All right.
Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. Very brief video. Don't get a haircut before your hair transplant. When do we get all these guys to come in with hair like yours in the back, and then they're doing this comb over, and then they decide they're going to get a haircut to help me out?
Yeah. They call and they say, I just got a haircut yesterday. You don't have to cut my hair.
Don't do that. Leave your hair long in the back. It covers either your FUE or your strip donor area. Well, we'll cut whatever we need to. And don't cut it in the recipient area because we'll trim what we need it to. We'll try to leave enough hair that you can comb it across. And let's use this fellow as an example. This guy had a little frontal tuft, and we did a nice case all around him. Here he is at the end of the case. Lots of hair packed in there. And then here he is at day 7. He did a pretty good job cleaning. And you think, well, how in the world is that guy ever going to conceal it? And this is 1 minute later. And he's combed that across and went back to his executive job, and no one was the wiser, right?
Mm-mm.
And it's about a month now. He'll be back soon, and we'll do a little follow-up with him. But nobody will ever know. Those hairs have already fallen out. He was bald under there to begin with. He does a comb over, which people probably recognize, but he feels comfortable with that. So,
Yeah, well, he was doing a comb over.
Right.
Yeah.
So if you're doing a hair transplant with us, don't get a haircut to help us out. We'll take care of everything for you. Thanks.